In this video, I'm going to show you how to close around with an invisible join. When you get to the last stitch, don't fasten off, don't slip stitch, just simply cut the yarn and draw it up live, draw the stitch up live so that there's no change. Take your darning needle and where you would normally slip stitch to join to the first stitch, you're going to skip it and join to the second stitch over, putting your needle through from the front to the back. And if you watch what happens to this yarn as we pull it, we're going to be creating a new stitch essentially with that yarn. So go into the back loop only of the last stitch of the round, still inserting your hook from your needle from front to back, and pull that, and as you pull that, watch what happens. You're going to create a new stitch using the tail of the yarn. And while you're there, pull it ever so slightly tighter than you think you might need. While you're there, you can sew in your end, and that has the advantage of getting rid of one of your ends. And that removes the need to join with a slip knot, and just takes away that wee bump that you usually get, and that tends to confuse people as to which is the first and the last stitch of the round because they've got this extra slip knot. So that has taken that knot away, and it just makes your work so much more professional. So I hope you give that a go and see can you tidy up your rounds a little bit. This is the Sweet 16 throw from my Etsy shop. Alright, I'll see you soon. Bye.